Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus TP470E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus TP470E can't hold a charge, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time, which can lead to your device shutting down unexpectedly. If left unaddressed, it could ultimately render your laptop unusable, causing inconvenience and potential data loss. To fix this problem effectively, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery compatible with the Asus TP470E, and an anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static damage to the components. To begin the repair, first ensure that your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you could damage the casing. After opening the back cover, locate the battery. It will usually be a rectangular component with wires connected to it. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by lifting it straight up from the motherboard. Now, remove any screws securing the battery in place and gently lift the battery out of the compartment. Make sure to handle it with care, as batteries can be sensitive. Take your new replacement battery and insert it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, replace the back cover and screw it back down, ensuring all screws are tightened properly but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, power on your Asus TP470E and check that the new battery is holding a charge. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you charge your device regularly and avoid letting it completely drain frequently. It's also advisable to keep your laptop in a cool, dry place to prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.